Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Whitmor MDF, wood, steel wall-mounted drying rack. A perfect solution for utilizing empty wall space to air dry your delicates, swimsuits, towels, and even wet winter gear. This versatile drying rack is equipped with 3 levels of adjustability to accommodate various types of garments and can fold flat against the wall when not in use, offering discreet and compact storage. With assembled dimensions of 25 inches in length, 23 inches in width, and 27 inches in height, it's designed for easy assembly, requiring just a drill with a 1/4-inch bit and a Phillips screwdriver. Crafted from wood and painted in a moisture-resistant white finish, this rack features 4 drying rods capable of supporting up to 40 pounds of laundry. For over 70 years, Whitmor has been dedicated to bringing organization into homes, and this drying rack is no exception. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, Whitmor's customer service is ready to provide immediate assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.